Can you imagine how convenient it would be to have a smart lock? Today, I want to strongly recommend our K7 to anyone who needs a smart lock. Now, let's unpack the box and see what's inside. This lock is extremely easy to install. All you need is to use a screwdriver. The entire installation process takes only 7 to 10 minutes. And here is an important tip. When installing, make sure to insert the transmission shaft horizontally, with the lock tongue retracted and the back panel knob interface in a horizontal position. This way, once installed, there won't be any issues. Furthermore, this door lock is compatible with a wide range of door thicknesses, suitable for doors range from 35mm to 60mm thick. And of course, what I love most about it is the smart features and the modern appearance. This keyless door lock offers multiple unlocking methods. Fingerprint unlock is quick, utilizing RF semiconductor technology with AI intelligent learning capabilities. The more easy corners, the fastest getters. When using the keypad to unlock, you can add any numbers before or after the main password. The anti-peeping feature effectively protects the security of your password. You can also unlock using an IC card. Simply open the Tuya app. Tap the unlock button to unlock or use the mechanical key to unlock. One of my favorite features is outlocking, so you never have to worry about forgetting to lock the door again. This lock combines convenience and security, powered by the powerful Cypress chip. It's high security with an anti-prying alarm function.